I'm home. I'm finally home. It feels so good to say that. It feels so good to be home. I just wanted to come on and give you guys a quick update as to what's been going on. The last time we spoke, we were searching for apartments, which I picked the apartment that you guys wanted, which is apartment number 1. I loved it there, guys. It was so beautiful. The aesthetic was nice. The people were nice. It was just gorgeous. But my insurance ran out from covering the lease there. And then I ended up having to move again. So I went from here to the apartment. And then after I moved out of the apartment, I had to move in with Jackson's dad. That happened. I was supposed to move in with my mom, but she caught COVID. So we had to move in with Jackson's dad and then finally back here. Yeah, it's been a process, but I'm back home and it feels good. But everything, it's still a lot for me to do. Like I still have a lot of unpacking and so many bags and boxes. All of my clothes are like literally wrapped up in plastic from it coming from the dry cleaners because insurance and everything to the dry cleaners. Like my closet is a mess. You know, I could show you better than I could tell you. Okay, so can we just look at this closet? Everything is in bags. Like, I can barely find anything. This is just life right now. Look at the floor. Bags and bags and bags of stuff. Like, this is what's happening right now. Like, so yeah, this is pretty much what the whole house looks like. It's bags and boxes of stuff everywhere. Like the only thing that I semi have separated is like my go-to jewelry. Like these are from Louisa. The earrings that I'm wearing now are from Louisa. I love them. Check these out, guys. These are so cute. Let me show you. So how cute are these? These are by Louisa. Check out their website. Make sure to link it below. But I always like their pieces because they're so cute and they start at like $39. I'm wearing some right now. And all of their pieces are also hypoallergenic and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about them turning in the shower. And you get a 2-year warranty on them. So if anything happens, you're covered. Hey guys, Future Victoria. Sorry to cut today's video, but I'm in the office editing and I'm trying to get you guys a discount code for the Louisa jewelry. So I reached out to my management team and they agreed to sponsor this portion of the video. So they actually already have 10% off if you go to their website and subscribe for their email. Let me show you. All right, so when you go to their website, all you have to do is type in your email address and you'll get the 10% off, and it's at www.analuisa.com. And look at how pretty the jewelry is. I love this website. I pretty much live here when it comes to my jewelry. I like it because it's affordable. It's kind of like the middle ground. It's not expensive, but it lasts forever. So go to my link in my description box before they run out of stock. Now let's get back to the video because I got to show you guys this empty loft. It is like literally nothing in here except the ottoman that Jackson has always been comfortable on. And we've been traveling with the same ottoman for like a decade. So let's take a look at the, here we are in the loft. This is what we have in it. That's the loft area. So yeah, I have a lot of work to do. As you can see in this room, you see bags and bags of stuff. Even if we walk into Jackson's room, you'll see that he doesn't have a mattress in his room yet. No drapes, not even blinds. Someone rung the doorbell and then it read that. I'm so glad to see you back at home. Wasn't that so nice? Yeah, but anyway, so this is the sunroom. Completely empty, and that does not belong there. I'm literally blocking off my doors here with paper. It's taped. Look at the tape. it's taped to, yeah. So we just have a lot to do. The dining room is only halfway done as far as chairs because I can't decide which chairs I want. More boxes of stuff. In the dining room, trying to decide whether I should go with this chair because y'all, I'm having to get everything brand new. So either this chair, which is very similar to the chairs that I originally had, versus these chairs. Ignore all of this stuff. It's just a mess. But which one do y'all like more? Leave it in the comment section. Go with this set or go with this set. So yeah, so even though I'm back home, I still have lots more to do. I'm pretty excited about the redesign of it all because I like decorating. So I feel like I'm gonna have fun with that. You guys can help me out. I'm probably gonna do more vlogs on it as I'm redoing all of my rooms, my office, my dining rooms, and so on. The sunroom needs to be redone. So yeah, I feel like I'm having fun as far as that part is concerned. Oh, and I got a new car. You guys know that my car melted in the fire, as you saw at the beginning of the video, and I got a new car with red interior. I have been wanting a red interior for so long. I just feel like it's something sexy about a red interior, and I finally got it. Let's go look at the car. Guys, so here's my new car. I love her. She's in the atomic silver color. I haven't named her yet. Y'all come up with some good names for me. But it's the red interior. I feel like it's just so sexy. Always, always, always loved red. And I've always loved Lexus because it's a luxury car, but you can use Toyota parts if anything ever goes wrong with it. So yeah, and this is a newer model from the one that I previously had. So I'm in love. I feel like it worked out. You guys were telling me everything happens for a reason, and I'm starting to see that now. My experience at the apartment complex, like I said, I loved it. It was beautiful, gorgeous. I loved going to the gym, but some things were happening in between that time. So number one, it was like this person who wasn't supposed to be there, this intruder. And then I had to go and identify this man. So the apartment was really safe. It was in a really nice neighborhood. You had to have key fobs to get on the elevator, to open the parking garage, to get into the building. A key fob for everything. Key fob to get into the gym, to any of their access areas, like their sunroom area, to get into their lounge. Key fob. Everything was super secure, but somehow this guy snuck in. Not only did he sneak in, he happened to sneak in when I was present, and he's knocking at my window. I'm in the parking garage, and he's like, boom, 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 on my window. And I'm like freaked out because I'm like, who is this guy? Because the apartment complex was new. So you pretty much knew everyone who was there. And especially because they had these mixers every Wednesday, and you knew who lived there. He didn't live there. And he's knocking on my window in the parking deck, and he's like, give me your key fob, like super aggressive. And they could not explain how he got there. And so when I told them about it, I had to come down and identify the guy, like to the police. And then so they arrested him, and then he snuck back in again, and then they arrested him, and he snuck back in again, and then I just got really uncomfortable. Jackson's here making himself some cereal, and he's like worried that he'll be making too much noise. Is that too much noise? I tried to explain to him it was just a vlog and an update letting you guys know everything, so I don't think it's all that serious. But anyway, that's about it, guys. I honestly had so much more to tell you, but I feel like I can't probably fit it all into one vlog, or I probably could fit it into one vlog, but I typically don't vlog for very long because I'm not really sure if these are the type of videos that you guys like to see. Leave it in the comment section if you guys want me to vlog more, because honestly I prefer vlogging. But anyway, that's it. We're home. Just wanted to update you guys. I'll be doing more beauty content soon. Let me know in the comment section which chair y'all like the most. Also, don't forget to check out Louisa. I will leave the website here, and you guys check it out. And if I can get a discount code, I'll make sure to leave the discount code in the description box. Just click on the link in my description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys so much, because you guys gave me so much love on my last video about the fire, and the previous one, the one prior to that, and the Instagram messages. I love y'all. Bye.